Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with Pinoy. Right now I'm getting ready to do barbecue, and this is a Pinoy street food. This is chicken feet, there's a pork belly, this is isaw.
Pork belly is just only the skin, okay?
Yeah, the skin only, and this is my wife's favorite street food in Philippines, and she want me to do barbecue today. So which you know, the wife happy, of course she happy. Happy wife, happy life. And as you will sleep on the sofa tonight. Okay, and my son is so busy over there. He playing video game. What game you playing? Ian? NBA 2K10? Okay, he's playing NBA 2K10. So I don't know if you guys know that game. That game is really fun. I'm addicted on that game too. So in reality, you cannot like dunk over people. You cannot cross over the people. Do everything. But on the game, you could. You can create your own character, dunk over people, cross over, shooting, name it. Okay, then back to our food. So later on, once I'm done this, I will start doing barbecue. So once I'm done, I will upload some more video, let you guys see. Okay, then see you guys later. Bye push.